Hello and welcome back to another video of Python 2020. Today in this video we will see how can we save attachment from email to SharePoint folder. Before go ahead, it is a request to you. If you like the content this videos, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more video. Go ahead and let's start the video. This, here you can see this is my SharePoint site and this is the library, documents library, and I have created a attachment folder here. So in this folder, we will save the attachment from email to here in this folder. Go on Power Automate, Flow, New, create a automated cloud flow. Here, give the name, save attachment, and here type when new email arrive. So here I'm taking this new mail arrive v3. Okay, now click on create. So here you can see in this section I'm using my inbox, okay, folder. Now here you can see include attachment. So here I'm select yes, and now only with attachment. Here also I'm select yes. Okay. Now add a new step. First get attachments. Here we'll take get attachment Office 365 Outlook. Now message ID. So here I'm taking message ID, and now attachment. So here I am taking attachment ID. Go to dynamic content or now write attachment ID. Okay. Now you can see this get attachment action automatically inside the apply to each loop. Okay. Now click on new step, create file. Here we will take SharePoint file. Click on this arrow and give the site address. So this is the my test site. This is my site address and folder path. There you can see the shared documents and this is the attachment. So here I want the attachment in this folder, attachment folder. Select this. Okay. Now here I am take a name of attachment and now file content. So here I am taking content byte. Okay. Now save this flow and uh, I have to send one email with attachment. It, so we can test flow. Okay. New email. So that is test. That is here. What is Now go to the attachments, and here attach the file. And now send. Now go to the Power Automate and My Flow, and click this and now run all. And you can see our flow is succeed run successfully. Now check in SharePoint folder. Just let refresh it. Here you can see. So this is our attachment file. Hope you like the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. I will see you in the next video with new topic on Power Automate. Till then, happy learning.